Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what this is a power delivery charger that can use to charge your devices that's capable with both USB or USB-C. And if you guys take a look right here, this is basically what the brand logo is, Alsterplus. But for this power delivery power adapter, you can use it for a really powerful charge and whatnot. It supports up to 112 watts of power, which is pretty amazing. And they also provide you all the different plugs and whatnot, so when you guys are traveling, you guys have that option on here. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. So when we open this component right here, you guys can see that there's a box inside, and inside the box is another box. So when we open this component up right here, you guys can see there's a bunch of cables inside and there's the actual device right here. If you guys take a look right here, there's a lot of different plugs outlets right here. US plugs, UK plugs, EU plugs, and the AU plugs, so you guys can use this basically anywhere in the world. So here is basically what the product looks like, if you can see. So basically, as you can see right here, there's a US plug right here that's foldable. So you guys can fold it up when you guys are not using it. And then when you guys are using it, just open up like this, and you guys can start using it. And if you guys take a look right here, you guys can see that there's the port right here, or output right here. So there's a power delivery slot right here, which is a USB-C, and right here is the USB option right here. And for the USB, it says that it supports up to a 2.4A. So faster than your 2A speeds, but it's not the fastest like the quick charging option. So let me actually take out the plugs and show you guys what it actually looks like and how to kind of put it on first. Alright, so basically here is all the different plugs. You can see the extra 3 ones that are not the US ones. Backside is the way it looks like. So I'm just going to show you guys how to apply one of them so you guys have an idea of how to put on and whatnot. So basically you guys want to close this part right here like this, and then you guys want to attach it on like this. And then once you guys attach it on like that, you guys can see you guys can start using it and just plug it in like that and just go about your day plugging it wherever you guys are using when you guys are traveling and whatnot. One feedback that I have about like a charging block like this when it's so big and bulky and heavy is that, let's say if you guys plug in certain locations where it's like it doesn't have a good wall plug and whatnot, the product itself might be too heavy and it starts leaning forwards. And this issue actually happens a lot for me, especially when I'm like traveling, when I'm flying on a plane. Like that charging block or that charging area where it's plugged into the bottom of your seat and whatnot, that part is so loose when I plug one of these in. So that's definitely one of the issues that you just want to consider when you guys are using one of these products. But knowing that issue is not a big issue for me because I have other charging blocks I can use. This one would definitely be useful when I'm at like the hotel or something, when I want to charge my laptops and whatnot much faster than my other charging blocks. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me actually go do a quick test to show you guys whether or not the product works, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so you can see right here we have the charging block all plugged in and everything, the cables in as well. So we'll do a quick test to see whether or not the product actually works or not by charging my laptop and also by charging my phone. So we're gonna plug in our laptop first right here. Alright, so you can hear that it worked, and also you can see the percentage is charging as well right there. We're gonna plug in our iPhone cable now to see whether or not that one works as well. Alright, so you can see that both of them are still charging. You can see that charging here as well, and the phone is still charging as well. So it does charge both of them at the same time. It's hard for me to determine whether or not it's actually fast charging or not because my laptop is fully charged right now. So I'll probably have to recharge it later on when it's down and see what the result is, and then go back and talk more about the product to you guys. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a test of the product. You can see that actually does work and it works really well. I noticed that it definitely charges faster than my power banks or my outlets or plugs when I'm plugging into the wall outlets. That doesn't have that quick charging or power delivery option like how it does on this product or any other power delivery plugs and whatnot. One thing to note though is that this product has all the protection they guys want or need, such as like the overcharge, overcurrent, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this product is actually really worth it if you guys need one or want one of these, especially if you guys don't mind that issue that I mentioned about earlier, how it might have an issue when you guys are plugging into like certain outlets that can't support this heavy block. If you guys don't mind having that issue, then this product will be definitely worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, or if you guys don't like having that issue like I mentioned earlier about that charging plug outlet in the airplanes and whatnot, then this product would definitely not be worth it for you guys, and you guys probably should save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback with this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that'll be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout day we have